to give you directory, the username and your password here. Just click on install. Okay, click on install and you wait for a few minutes for it to install. They say congratulations, your software was installed successfully. So we are back at this now. So with your directory, you can see that this digitalconcept.com/wp, this is your directory. This is your, so just come here, click and open it, click on new tab. Alright. Okay, now this is your WordPress dashboard. This is your WordPress dashboard. New WordPress dashboard. So if you look at your left corner, you have update, post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, and what have you. So for us to be able to make use of this WordPress to design a landing page, we will install some plugins. Now, what is the function of the plugin? Plugin helps us to navigate through the WordPress easily, help us to edit, help us to do basically whatever we need to do on the WordPress dashboard. Okay. So, but the first thing we are going to do now, we will install plugin. So you click on plugins, wait for it to load, and the very first plugin we are going to install is Classic Editor. Classic Editor. Why are we using Classic Editor? Classic Editor, it enables the previous Classic Editor and the old style edit screen by basically it's just to enable you edit your landing page, either edit the element or whatever. So you just click on install now, wait for a few minutes, few seconds rather, for it to load. Then it's already installed, then you click on activate. Okay. Now that's for that. Now the next plugin I'm going to use, since this video is design a landing page using Thrive, I'm going to install my Thrive plugin. And basically, installing my Thrive plugin, I'm going to install it from my computer because I already have it downloaded on my computer. Most of the time, most plugins are going to use may not be available on the options the options here. Will not be available on the options, especially high performing plugins. Most of them will not be available here because most of them you need to pay for them because most of them are not free. So either you download the plugin and make purchase for it, or anyhow you are going to get it, but Thrive will not be available here. So I already have it on my computer already. So if you need a video about it, how to get the Thrive, just comment below, right? So I'll just go ahead now, upload my plugin, choose file because I have it in my computer. Click on choose file. You can see, so I'll just click on it, click on open. It's already here, so I'll just click install now. Wait for a few minutes for it to load up. It's already been installed. So basically that's the first step in going about this. And the next step, wait for it. Add. The next step is landing page sample. Right. Then at the right corner of your screen, click on publish. Wait for a few minutes for it to load up. Then click on launch Thrive Architect. Launch Thrive Architect. Okay, this is what you're going to have. Then if you look at the right corner of your screen, there's a Thrive logo. Then there's the first element which says add element. Then the second one, change template, and the last one which is settings. Now you're going to select the change template, click on it, then click on expand, then click on choose template and wait for it to load up. So the first question, template changed successfully. Now this is going to be the display of your landing page. The very first sample of your landing page is going to have my first heading. So the very first thing we are going to do is select it. There is at the right top corner, you're going to see 4 icons highlighted in green. You're going to select the last one, which is delete, that look like a trash can. Click on it. And everything is fresh as new. Okay. Now for our landing page, now we're taking a sample from this health products. So this is where we are basically what we're going to do in this video is try to recreate this on our landing page. Alright. I'm going to recreate as much as possible this, all the plugin and what have you. Alright. So on the very first part, we have the free delivery, payment on delivery, and the discount sales. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll click on this add element. First of all, I'm going to click on that add element, select it. Then the very first thing, select test. Click on it. Select test. Then come back. Okay, so we'll just highlight this, copy it. Okay, and okay, let me quickly chip in this. If you are trying to, let's say for example, you are trying to copy a already designed landing page, you're trying to recreate what's the design on the landing page, right? And you are finding it difficult to copy, maybe because the website is licensed. Add allow copy plus plugin on your Google Chrome. Allows select and copy extension. Click on that. If you wait for it to look at it, allow select and copy extension. Click on it and then just add to Chrome. Mine is already added, so I won't add it again. So just add to Chrome and it will allow you to copy from any website. Okay, so copy, then come here, already highlighted it. Make sure you highlight every text before you paste, because that will give the Drive the function of what to do. You just paste, Ctrl V, and if you observe, you are going to see a rectangle box here containing BI. That's just basically what, if you are familiar with WordPress, that's basically just WordPress basics. It's just a way of guiding how you want your text to be arranged. So if I highlight this now and select center align at the center, see, it will just move my text to the center. So if I still align to the right or align to the left or align perfectly, so we'll just select all this, align to the center. Okay, now we'll come back here and observe that this is a white colored text on a black background. Okay, so white color text on the black background. So we'll just select the background, select, make sure it's highlighted, then come to the left corner of your drive, scroll down and you'll see background style. Click on the background style, click on solid color, just at the right side of add layer, click on it, then select the color of it, black, increase the opacity and apply. Our text is blank, so we are going to highlight it and select main options, color, click on it and select white. Okay, apply. Then here we have, but our text is too small, so we'll come to font size and increase a little bit, then line height, reduce a little bit, come back to increase a little more. Okay, and I think we are good. Okay, that's the very first step. I'll come back to the next step. The background is green, white text. First of all, white text, then we'll just come here, select add element again, bring in the text. Now this time around I'm going to drag, because the reason for dragging is because I don't want any space to be in between. So I'll drag and below text, paste here. Okay. Then I want the background to be green. I'll come back to that. Now I like this. Okay. I like this. Come to cleanse body. Click the very first one. Copy it. Copy. Come here. Paste as usual. Align the center. So come back to this add element again. Select text. Now I'm going to select background style. Click on it, and the color is green. Now for us to get the exact color, I think we need to do this. For us to get the exact color, okay, I'm going to, there's a plugin also. It's called color pick eyedrop. So you just basically still come to your new tab on your Google Chrome, select color picker extension, click on it. Same process, click on it, add to Chrome. Now what this does is, let me show you. I'm going to select this color picker and click here. Can you see? It just give me the name of this color. So all I will just do is copy it, come back to my page, highlight it, come to background style, click on it, and Ctrl V, increase the intensity, and paste. Boom. Same color, no difference at all. Alright, so basically that's how that goes. Okay, so now we'll come back here, refresh the page so that the color picker will go away, so we can copy successfully. So refresh the page. Now copy, Ctrl V, align, to the center. What color is it? White. Now the font, we are going to use a different font style. Now to select different font, I'm going to come to main options, click on main options. Under just below color, you're going to see font. Click on it and source. We have Google font, we have web font, we have inherent landing page font. That's the font you copied from. That's the inherent page font. But now we're going to select the web save font. Select the font. I'm using, see that sounds really good. I think I like that very well. Then put in it. I think it looks like what we have there. Okay, I'm going to select the color, making it white, apply. Okay, we are good. Alright, I think we are good now. And please, while you are working, don't forget to save your work. As you are going, make sure you save your work. It's very important. Okay. Now, after that, we have not just column, copy that too. Basically, any work from here going on is just to copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Okay. So just copy this too. Copy it and try to make it body clean start, enter, even heavy, enter, then Control A like that, align to the center. want to make it this borderline, I want to make it into effect of this. So I'll come to borders and corner. Okay, now to create something like this, might not be exactly like this though, but to create something like this, we'll come to add element again, select this content box. Now I'm going to drag it and I'm going to select below box. Okay, then we're going to copy this. Okay, then you're going to paste it here as usual. Align to the center. Okay, and then we have this. Then with this now I'm going to select border and corner. Then the very first one that have like 4 edges, not the curved one, the straight one, I'm going to select the straight line after the node. Select that and select the, maybe let's just say like 3. Okay, that's taken off. Then click on this black dot and make it white. Okay, apply. So we have something that look like this and this. Not entirely the same thing, but I mean you get your idea. Okay, all right, so this we're going to change the font. Come to main options, inherent, web font, you see that, apply. Web font, you see that, apply. Okay, now we have this. So far so good. Let's try to preview what we have done and see how it looks like. Now it looks like this because we have not saved our work so far. So for what we have here, we'll save our work and preview again. Okay, come here, refresh, see. So this is our progress so far. We still have a long way to go, but the color we have here is white, so don't always forget that. Always highlight before you make any change. Highlight first, then click on apply. Okay, I think we are good now. Now buy this amazing product. Now it was done with an element called button. So scroll down and select button. I will click and drag below text, see it here, and what was written on it is buy this amazing product. Now so we just highlight this, click here now. All right, buy this amazing product. Okay, the color is red, don't always forget that. Color is red, so color is red. Okay, let's change the font. I like using Lucida a lot because what's there not to like? It's very fine. Okay, we have this. Okay, now click on it. Then we have animation. Click on it. Save your work, always save your work. Now we have that. Okay. So the next thing we have now is this. Just copy all of it. Copy everything. Copy everything. Okay. Let's copy again. Copy everything. Always copy. Basically. Because the background is white, it's not longer part of this one, so we just select, okay, paste. So we have this, you get it now. So we're going to select this church has a secret that can keep you young and healthy. This church is dark red. It's red, the color is red. Come to main option. Okay, apply. We have that. Then what else? Have you ever heard this expression? Have you ever heard this expression? Click on that. So basically what I was trying to do now is trying to make everything look the same. Okay, no big deal. We're just trying to make everything look the same. Okay, we have that. So now we are going to try to create the form. Okay, you have that. And let's change the font to Lucida because that's the closest one we have here. Okay, alright, then make this as close as possible. See what's break by a period of time. Okay, so what we are trying to do here is make this as close as possible. We're trying to make this as close as possible. So this was centrally aligned. We align to the center. I think so, yes. Okay. So here we are. Let's increase to 18 or let's increase to 20. Okay, let's increase this to 22. Let's increase this to 20 also. Alright, let's increase this to 22. And let's increase this to. Alright, so this is an image. For us to create something like this on our page, we are going to come to our add element, select image, drag below text, and this is where you choose your image. So you are going to click on select files. I already have the image loaded on my system already. So I'll just click on it, open. Alright, this is the image already selected. So what I will do is click on insert into post. Here we are. Okay, and layout, I can choose it to be at the middle, just like it is there, just like it is here. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is the background is green, so I try to make the background green also. So just come to select the background, come to background style, then green, paste our green, highlight it, and I think we have this. Okay, then apply. Now the break jars from this green, because of this was done using HTML, so we are not going into that. So that's why it does not exactly look the same like this. Okay, but don't get it confused. This is what we have. So while at that, then we are still have other buttons, and this video can start this video with our product now. Then select, let's apply this text first, then select text, usual paste, centrally align, cleanse, then highlight all of that, main option, putting it very bold, color is red, apply. So we have this. Okay, now to paste this video, what we are going to do is we are going to copy the link. How do you copy the link? Let's click on it.
Hello everybody, my pure story is amazing.
So we're just going to, so I'm going to come here, add element as usual, then scroll down till you get to video. So below text. So video is basically not hard. You just come here and paste your URL. Okay, we have not copied that. We have not copied our video URL, so we just come here, right click, copy video URL, come here, paste, and enter. And boom, just like magic, we have our video here. Don't forget to always save your work. Okay, then we have this whole testimonial. So I already downloaded all of this to my system. So to do all of that, come here, add element, select, scroll up, and select column, because you can see this testimonial. There are one here, they are in like two different places, like two different columns, 4 in total. So to select that, we'll select our column. Okay, select this 2 column. So we have 2 column here, we have 1 column here, we have 1 column here. So we'll still do that below. So what we are going to do is add element again, go back to your add element, select image, because this testimonial here, if you observe very well, is image. It was screenshotted as image or downloaded as image, that one. So we are going to insert as image, because we already downloaded that. You just to download it is very easy. Just right click on it and save image as either of them. That's it. So click on image, drag into the box till you see something pop up like inside column. Then release the column, come back to upload, select files. If you have downloaded all of them, it's going to appear on your download. So select, then upload files again. I want to upload all of them once so that we won't come back here again. Okay, upload files again, open, then the last one, I think so, easy. Yeah, that's it. Now we just uploaded them one after the other. After you make sure you click on anyone you're going to upload first. Click on it. Then at the right bottom corner, you're going to select on insert into post. Just like magic, we have that. Come back to your add element again. Image, drag into your box. Then select the second one, insert into post. Then we have that. Then come back to your column. Okay, because it's 4. Select your column again. 2 column. Come back to your add element, image, drag into the box. Okay. Third, insert into post. Come back again. Repeat process just like that. If it's 50 images, go back, come back like that. And here we are with our 4 image. Okay, I already have that. This is a button also, just like the one we did at the top before, so that's not a big deal. So make sure you always save your work. Okay, work save. So now we'll scroll up to where we had button before, so it will be easy for us. Copy your text, scroll down again, select add element, select your button, drag below, right, highlight it, okay, highlight it and paste. Okay, then the color, come back up, have the color here so as to get the exact color, so it will have different colors. Okay, click on it, come back here, Ctrl V and apply. So basically that's all we have to do, and that's it. Okay, so after doing all of that, make sure you always save your work. It's very important to always save your work. And now if you observe this button here, you have a glow in the dark. It's like little shadow, so you can customize that a little bit. Let's now work on that. Let's go back to animation, scroll, come back to animation, apply, come back to animation, apply. Okay, we have this now, highlight it. Then we're going to come back to our layout and position. Is that no layout? Borders and corners. So we're going to come to shadow, click on it. So we have it like this, drop shadow. So we're going to increase it. The color is black, apply. So you can see it already. You can see it already. So save your work. Come to the first one and do the same thing. Okay, scroll down, shadow, color is black, don't forget, apply, distance a little bit, blow, spread a little bit, apply, save your work. So basically that's all about it on how to create a landing page using Thrive plugin. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and if there's any other video you would like me to talk on, you can just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much.